Hello, Phonics fans, and welcome to the next episode of Phonics with Fiona. That's me! Today, we will be reviewing the vowels and the consonants that we've already learned. Then, we will learn some new letters, the vowel U and the consonants M and D. The vowels that we've learned so far are A, E, and I. The other vowels are O, U, and sometimes Y. Don't forget that consonants are the rest of the letters of the alphabet. So far, we've discussed the consonants S, T, P, N, C, K, H, and R, and all of these letters can be at the beginning, middle, or end of words. Now let's discuss the new letters of the day. We will start with the vowel U. This is an uppercase U, and this is a lowercase u. The letter U can make two different sounds. The short U says ah, like in the word up. The long U says U, like in the word unicorn. Today we will focus on the short U, ah. Here are some things that have the short U sound in them: bug, umbrella, and mug. One letter down, two more to go. We have now talked about the letter U. Now let's talk about the letter M. This is an uppercase M, and this is a lowercase m. M says mmm. Here are some words that have the letter M in them: worm, music, mouse. Yay! We've learned a new letter, the letter M. Now let's talk about the letter D. This is an uppercase D, and this is a lowercase d. D says D. Here are some words that have the consonant D in them: dad, deer, duck. We have now learned all of our letters of the day: U, M, and D. Now for some review. The short vowel U says ah, like umbrella, mug, bus. The consonant M says as in mouse, worm, music. The consonant D says D, as in dad, deer, duck. Thanks for all of your hard work, Phonics friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona. Let's learn together.